Imagine this: a winter storm cuts off power for days, or a hurricane floods your town. Grocery store shelves are empty, and food deliveries are delayed. What would you do? Emergencies happen when we least expect them. Whether it's a natural disaster, power outage, or even unexpected financial hardship, having an emergency food supply can make all the difference. It's not just about survival, it's about peace of mind and confidence in knowing you're prepared. Let's start with the basics. What should your emergency food storage include? Here's a list of must-have, non-perishable food items that every household needs. Canned foods are versatile, have a long shelf life, and don't require refrigeration. Stock up on a variety: vegetables, fruits, meats, and ready-to-eat soups. Rice, pasta, and oats are affordable, filling, and easy to prepare. For a family of 4, aim for at least 10 to 20 pounds of grains for a 2-week emergency. Beans and lentils are excellent sources of protein. They store well and can be cooked with minimal effort. Nut butters provide energy and healthy fats. Combine them with shelf-stable milk for easy, nutritious meals. Don't forget comfort foods. Snacks like granola bars, crackers, and trail mix are great for quick energy. Include basic cooking supplies like oil, salt, sugar, and spices to add flavor to your meals. Plan for at least 1 gallon of water per person per day. You can also include powdered drink mixes for variety. The key is to choose foods with a long shelf life, minimal preparation, and high nutritional value. Now that you know what to store, let's talk about how to store it. Here are some creative and budget-friendly food storage solutions. Use airtight bins to keep food safe from moisture, pests, and spoilage. Label each bin with the contents and expiration date. Mason jars are perfect for smaller items like dried beans, nuts, and spices. They're reusable, affordable, and look great on shelves. Vacuum sealing removes air to extend the shelf life of food. It's a great way to save space and keep your food fresh longer. Repurpose items you already have. Turn old coffee cans into storage for rice or pasta. Add a label and you're good to go. Use under-the-bed storage bins or stackable shelves to maximize space in small homes or apartments. Organize food so it's easy to grab during an emergency. Emergency food storage isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving when life throws you the unexpected. By building a reliable food supply, you gain peace of mind, confidence, and the ability to care for your loved ones. Take the first step today. Create a shopping list, gather essential items, and start building your own emergency food storage plan. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the message of preparedness and help others get ready for whatever life may bring. Explore top-quality food storage solutions and emergency supplies at Ultra Prime Selections. Be ready, stay prepared. Visit www.ultraprimeselectionsinc.com to get started today.